Morning, guys. Luckily, tumigil yung ulan. Gumanda yung weather. But we don't know for sure kung hanggang kailan. Just look at the view outside. We have the view of the resto. May mga nagbe-breakfast na. Mga nagla-lounge na rin sa beach. Sinusulit nila yung weather habang hindi pa umuulan. It's already 8 o'clock in the morning. Sila nasa kama pa rin. But I'll probably have order my breakfast already and work for a little bit. How about you guys? See you guys downstairs. Ito yung available choices for breakfast. Maliban lang po dito na sa Ilocos, Tongani, Sakige. Kuha na lang ako na isang bacon breakfast na lang. Yun lang po muna.
With rice, sir?
With rice, yes. Silipin natin yung beach, guys. Wow! So nice. Dami ng tao sa beach at this time. 8 o'clock. Ito muna tayo sa swing. Kahapon ko pa gusto gawin to eh. Sobrang kalmado ng tubig, oh. Sarap mag-jet ski. Ang dami nag-water sports. Banana boat, they have flying fish. Iba-iba. Sobrang kita pala yung windmill from here. Kahapon kasi maulan, hindi medyo cloudy. Kaya hindi makita yung windmill. Ganda ng sand pala. Ngayon ko lang na-appreciate lahat. Breakfast muna tayo. Tapos, enjoy yung beach habang wala pang ulan. Work muna habang nag-aantay ng breakfast. We were also supposed to have our photo shoot today. Kumuha ng photographer si Janiel. Yesterday we had to cancel because of the weather. Not sure kung pwede pang ituloy today kasi wala pa namang ulan. Parang last night we saw merong orange rainfall warning dito sa area, sa Pagudpud. Sobrang swerte talaga. Hopefully the whole day na yung weather. Here's my breakfast. Sumunod na sila, guys. I had bacon. Sarap ng bacon nila, guys. Sobrang crispy. Ngayon lang. So nice to have breakfast. Kapag ganyan yung view mo. We're now here at the beach. Kakatapos na ng breakfast and nag-work lang tayo for a while. So yeah, we're enjoying the sun right now while it lasts.
Come on, let's go.
So ito yung setup namin, oh. We brought a banig for us to lounge here. Ayan. The water is nice and cool. Let's take a plunge. Come on. Medyo mataas lang yung waves. Are you having fun? Yung beach nila, guys, from the shore, medyo may palalim lang. But then after that, flat na dito sa part na to. So nice! Thank you, Lord, for the weather. How's the water so far?
So good.
So good?
Nice.
So nice?
It's not salt. It is. When I in my mouth. Not too much.
Why do you have to taste it? Time check, it's already 10:32. Nakatago lang yung sun. So, sobrang sobrang ideal for swimming. Kasi hindi ka mangingitim. Tsaka hindi mainit, no?
Can I hold the camera?
Okay. Oh.
Can I put it underwater?
Yeah. I finally got my sunglasses. Kanina sobrang di ako makakita. But right now, I can see everything. Lounge muna tayo. Oh, sarap lang. Oh my God. Grabe. B. Quick update. Tapos na kami mag-swim, guys. We're now transferring to another resort para i-check kung anong offerings nila for lunch. Tara, let's go. Try namin dito, guys, sa Villa Manuela. Medyo maraming kumakain. So, baka okay ang food nila. So sad, guys. We had to leave kasi close na daw yung resto. Baka hindi sila nakapag-stop, no? Tignan niyo yung view from here, guys. Ganda. Maganda dito, guys. South Beach. If you guys are planning to go on a vacation, pwede dito. Para maiba naman. Kasi usual namin, Subi, Zambales, is La Union. So, check namin yung ibang resort kung merong restaurant. We found another resto here at Evangeline Beach Resort. So, tignan lang natin yung menu kung marami silang food choices. Ganda rin ang view dito in fairness ha. Pakita ko sa inyo yung place. Parang pwede mag-wedding dito. May ring. Parang events place din siya kasi parang may space pa dito.
The rates are cheaper than... they're a bit more expensive than...
Ah, talaga?
But kasi this is for 4 guests. Sa atin kasi 2 guests
2
lang
guests.
So this is cheaper.
Gutom na ako. Let's check the menu. Galing ng ordering system nila dito guys. Very advanced. So QR code lang siya. Tapos through app lang talaga kayo or through browser lang talaga kayo makaka-order. Wala silang physical menu. Tapos they also accept credit card. O, diba? How much per room dito? 5,000 din, ano?
5,500. Pero good for 4 adults and 2 kids.
Wow. So good for 4 adults and 2 kids dito. For 5,000 pesos only per night. Malaki pa yung restaurant nila.
Saka walang sand yung restaurant.
Tsaka maganda dito, yung sahig, semento. I mean, okay naman sa Hakuna Matata kung saan kami nakastay. But marami lang kailangan sigurong development, no? Na gawin. We ordered sinigang and garlic rice. Yan. Let's eat. In fairness, okay ang service nila dito. Kompleto, may bowl, utensils. I think you have to ask if you want what. Or baka dadalhin na. Kasi hindi naman namin hiningi na ito mga to. Kusa na lang dumating. Baka malapot yung sabaw, eh.
Dapat siya. Walang sitaw. Mayari ka pa tayo.
Wala.
Maggulay na lang.
Ibang gulay na lang. Si Natalia kasi kapag sinigang, sitaw lang kinakain, tsaka kangkong, right? Doon lang siya nakakapaggulay talaga. No? Ribs pala to eh. Ribs na sinigang, guys. Pag napunta kayo dito sa Saud, don't forget to visit Evangeline Resort. Masarap. Sobrang nag-crave ako sa sabaw eh. Actually, kahapon pa ako nag-crave ng sabaw. Wiped out, guys. Amin nyo naman. Simot na simot to the bone. Ubus lahat ng laman. Grabe. Sobrang nakakagutom, no? Nakakagutom kasi, guys, mag-swimming sa sa rough beach. Sobrang lakas ng waves. So, parang nilalaban mo parati yung katawan mo. Grabe. Anyway, ngayon, plan namin. Si wifey nag-crave ng chocolate cake. Chocolate cake ba? Chocolate cake. So, wala kaming choice. Wala kasing chocolate cake dito. We really have to shower and kailangan namin lumabas ng resort. We have to find actually nakahanap ka na, no? Ano yung nahanap mo?
It's a cafe. 13 minutes away.
So pupuntahan namin yung cafe na yun. It's still going to be an adventure. So on the way, maghahanap na rin kami ng papagasan kasi wala na rin akong gas. As in, 1 bar na lang. Nakalimutan ko magpagas bago pumasok ng Pagudpod. Sobrang rare na ng gas stations dito. So yeah, check natin. Tara, samahan nyo kami ulit. We're back in the room. Antayin ko lang muna mag-shower si Janiel and si Natalia. Naka-shower na tayo, guys. We're ready to go out. This is our outfit pala. Teka na? You guys ready? So first stop, gasoline station. Urgent matter. Second, yung cake. Bundok ng Sierra Madre. Pakaganda. Hanggang doon, sa likod.
Paikot, no?
Kahapon, hindi natin siya nakikita kasi cloudy. It was raining so hard eh. Ngayon, kitang-kita namin yung mountain.
Buti na lang we went out, no?
We're already here sa Shell.
Yay! May nadaanan pala tayong Shell.
Natin. It was, kaso nga lang, grabe yung ito ang gas.
Oh my gosh, oo nga.
Grabe,
Half ka na lang muna.
79. Oo, siguro ano lang muna.
Kasi 60 lang dun eh, diba?
Oo,
Sa
60.
vegan. Lawag.
Sa Lawag. Ito na kasi guys yung last na gasoline station. The rest papunta dun sa Pagudpod. Mga hindi kilala. Sana may card payment, no? Although may ATM naman dyan. Ay. Bali nagpagas lang muna tayo ng 1,000. So, pag pauwi, na lang tayo magpagas sa Lawag. Grabe, sobrang mahal. just arrived here at breakfast at Ima Cafe. We already ordered merienda. So wala palang cakes dito, no?
Yeah, but they have s'mores waffle. That's what I want.
So this is the Milano. Milano, tama? Moscovado. No, what?
Milano. Choco Milano.
Coco Milano.
Coffee.
Coffee. Ako nag-brewed coffee lang.
Sabi ko ang social din ng straw. Pag ganito siya. Yung disposable. Pero makapal, as in. Naman ko kung kita. Pero, ayun o, makapal siya. Yun pala.
Edible straw pala.
Yeah, it's an edible straw. So, mamaya kakagatin natin.
May taste test. Sobrang sulit ng s'mores nila, guys. Take a look at it.
So big.
Let me show you.
How are you gonna cut it?
Wow.
mean,
It's
cut.
already cut.
Cut each one for us.
Oh, that looks so good. Could that be my slice?
No,
What? Why?
it's my slice.
I thought you were gonna serve us.
Oh, you need lick this, lick.
Ito yung tuna sandwich.
Sir, pwede ba humingi ng knife? Thank you. Dalawang. Thank you.
In fairness, okay rin ang tuna sandwich nito. So far, the food is good. The service is also good. The ambience is good. So this is highly recommended, guys. The coffee, by the way, is also good. Right? How about you? Daanan nyo to pag pumunta kayo ng Pabudbud. Nakakatuwa lang din, guys, kasi meron silang souvenir shop dito. So nakabili sila ng si Janiel ng souvenir. Worth, magkano lang yan? 50 pesos lang. Saka hairpin, hair clip for Natalia. 50 pesos din. Diba? 50 pesos. Saan makakarating ang 50 pesos mo? Very reasonable yung pricing. So, hi guys, quick update. We're heading to the beach again. Nagpahinga lang din kami sa room for a while kasi medyo umambon. So, ito ang status ng beach ngayon.
Put it here, close to the mat. Abba, I'll be the one to put it down. I want to be the one.
Time check, it's already 5:50. So, in a while, the sun is really gonna set. But, as you can still see, sobrang liwanag pa. So, naglatag lang muna kami ulit dito. We're gonna be lounging here until the sun completely sets. Guys, check nyo yung golden hour dito. Now, looking for a place to eat. Dumaan ulit kami sa Villa Manuela. Out of stock na naman sila. Hindi kami nakaabot. Hindi ko alam bakit. Recommended din kasi guys yung Villa Manuela.
Sisig daw.
Sisig daw doon masarap. And it's fairly cheap din. Baka dito na lang ulit kami sa kanina kung saan kami nag-lunch. So we're back again at Evangeline. Sa same spot na lang ulit. We're back. Dito na naman kami sa Hakuna Matata. So we failed to look for our next dinner spot tonight.
Akala ko dun tayo.
Tapos, hindi pala sila nagsistock ng marami. So, kailangan maaga ka. Like, mga 6 pa lang, nandun ka na umorder. So, we just headed back here in Hakuna Matata. Which, gladly, meron pa naman kami na order. Kasi matatawa talaga ako, guys, kapag sinabing cut off. Matutulog kaming gutom. Dahil walang malapit na other restaurants here in the area that we think would cater until late. Anyway, antayin na lang natin yung food. Sobrang papawis lang kami, lakad. Good exercise na rin kasi sobrang challenging maglakad sa sand eh. Para ka nag-exercise. Nate, how about you? Super hungry? Nate is already hangry. Here's your food, Talia. This is your ham and cheese omelette. And this one is, anong pasta to? Mushroom pasta. Worth it naman yung lakad pabalik, guys. Actually, sobrang gutom ko na rin. Natalia wants to eat there. Careful! Finally, guys, may nagustuhan na si Natalia na food. What can you say about the food?
That's how many
Fine.
stars I give it.
Okay.
After no, I give it the number of the last number of all the numbers.
Of all the numbers. That's great. Ito na yung chicken wings.
Rice is
buffalo
life.
flavor. Last night was what? Honey butter flavor.
Yeah. It was actually nice, but it was sweet.
Yeah. Tapos gusto daw niya ng 1 cup of rice.
We'll share.
Okay.
Share kami.
Kala ko itong pasta na yung carb eh. Ito, tikman ko. We're done with dinner, guys. Sobrang busog.
Go then.
Ikaw rin? Are you full? Busog din daw siya. Anyway, time check. It's 8:52. Close to 9. So, plan namin mag-lounge sa beach. Maglalatag kami ulit. So, try namin mag-stargazing. Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo Kasi super dilim eh. As in, walang ilaw, literal. Ayan, no? Sobrang dilim.
Walang ilaw. Hindi
Kasi
hold up dito.
stargazing ang trip eh.
Hold up dito.
Hopefully not. Doon tayo pwede maglatag Yung parang may ilaw doon. Yung sa area na yun. Grabe, sobrang dilim. This is an adventure, Talia. Baka you might see the Shokoy here.
Oh my gosh, look.
Oh! Wow! What happened to his, pincher? Yung isang pincher niya, ang laki. The other one is thin.
Maybe he has swollen.
Wala. Wants to go to you, Natalia. Yeah. Ito na may ilaw, B. Dito kami. Ayan sila, naka-lounge. Sobrang dilim dito.
Hey, Ouchie. Pwede mo naman adjust yung flashlight mo eh.
Yan. Wala lang, pinakita ko lang sa inyo. So magla-lounge lang muna kami dito, guys. See you guys in the room. Balay. Ewan ko kung kita yung beach from here.